want to tell you guys about my new snack company, Feastables,
which is launching with 3 flavors: original, almond, and crunch.
Crunch is my favorite.
My favorite's almond.
and I'm kicking off Feastables with something I've always wanted to do.
10 random bars are gonna have a mystery ticket inside of them, and if you get this mystery ticket, we will fly you out to compete for a chocolate factory in one of our videos. And on top of that, Chandler, we're giving away over $1 million in other prizes to random people that buy the bars.
Dude, I need to buy these.
Just go to Feastables.com or click the link in the description and buy yourself some chocolate bars. They're better for you and they taste amazing.
We have 3 Mr. Beast bars. We have original. We have almond chocolate. We have quinoa crunch. I also bought a similarly priced bar of chocolate. We just got Lindt dark milk chocolate. And then, you know, the standard American Hershey bar, just to do some compare and contrast, see how everything stacks up to each other. I do want to look at some of the stuff about the chocolate bar before we get into them, because I think some of it's a little bit interesting. All right, this is a very loud website created by the experts. Organic ingredients, no artificial flavors, ingredients you can pronounce, delicious AF. That's as fuck for you boomers out there. Now, this bugs me. This is bullshit. This is just bullshit marketing. Just because you can't pronounce something doesn't mean that it's bad for you. Now, I'm gonna say I like Mr. Beast. I think he's a great creator. He's a massive philanthropist. I think that he's doing great things for the world. And I have no reason to not trust him with what he's putting out, because he's shown that he has integrity with what he does for the world. So, but I think this is bullshit, just flat out. Okay, so here's another fun thing. There's 5 ingredients in the chocolate bar. They list 4. So let's get the OG bar. And so we have sugar cane. And yeah, we see sugar cane. Cocoa butter, we see cocoa butter. It says organic in all caps, cocoa butter on the bar. Sunflower lecithin. Now, I'm willing to bet there are a lot of people who have trouble pronouncing lecithin. I might be saying it wrong. Let's see.
Lecithin.
Lecithin. Okay, I was saying it right. Cool. What the f is lecithin? It's a mixture of fats that are essential to cells in the human body. It can be found in many foods, including soybeans and egg yolks. So it's fat. That's the main takeaway. It's fat. Cool. Fat in the chocolate. Yeah, it makes sense. Probably is. I'm not a chocolatier. I've never made chocolate. I don't know much about the production, but I imagine it adds to kind of the texture. Then let's go back here. Sunflower lecithin, cocoa butter, cocoa bean, and sugarcane. Now, there's a 5th ingredient that they're not listing. What is it? Well, it is organic, again in all caps, organic chocolate liquor. Now, what the hell is chocolate liquor? Chocolate liquor is pure cocoa mass in solid or semi-solid form, like the cocoa bean nibs from which it's produced. It contains both cocoa solids and cocoa butter in roughly equal proportion. It is produced from cocoa beans that have been fermented, dried, roasted, and separated from their skins. This is just my guess. I imagine that they are not listing the chocolate liquor as openly as everything else, because people are stupid and don't research things and are assuming that it's alcohol. The name liquor is used not in the sense of distilled alcoholic substance, but rather the older meaning of the word, meaning liquid or fluid. Wow, he actually got 69420 as the phone number. That's fucking beautiful. So anyway, that's the chocolate, or that's the info on it. Let's actually, I don't know, fucking taste it now. I do want to try the Hershey just kind of as like a control. And I don't have a giant hard-on for Hershey bars. It's just, that's kind of like the essential American chocolate bar. A little Hershey square. It's a Hershey bar. It's chocolate. It's good. It's hard to fuck up chocolate. It's nothing to write home about. So let's get into the actual Mr. Beast bar now. Yeah, one of the fun things I noticed they do about it is the way it's perforated. So the big piece is devour, and then there's a little share square, which is clever. Appreciate that. That's significantly better than a Hershey bar. That's actually like really good chocolate. I don't know, with Hershey bars there's like this almost like acidic, this is going to give you heartburn later flavor. I don't really know how to describe it, but this doesn't have that. Like, I don't feel like this is going to make me feel like shit later. And yeah, the Hershey bar is waxy. This is not waxy at all. Like, breaks off nicely. Yeah, no, that's really good. I like that a lot. No, this is really good chocolate. Before I get into the other bars, there's my camera. Yeah, before I get into these guys, I do want to try this Lindt bar. Just compare and contrast. So again, this is a Lindt dark milk chocolate bar. It is right around $3, about the closest in price I could find. Honestly, I'm giving it to the Mr. Beast bar. The Lindt bar is not bad, but the Mr. Beast bar tastes better, and it's got more of like a snap to it. It's not as waxy. This one just kind of like collapses and compacts as you like chew it. Yeah, Mr. Beast bar is a lot better than the Lindt bar. We've determined that of the 3 chocolates that we are trying, the Mr. Beast bar is the best by like a long shot. So next we'll go into the almond chocolate, which, as I understand, it's just a chocolate bar with almonds in it. Yeah, so this is our piece of almond. You can see little almond bits in here. It tastes like the chocolate, but with almond in it. They're really good. Finally, we have our quinoa crunch bar. Yep, you see the little crunchy quinoa bits. Maybe. There you go. It's a crunch bar. It just tastes like the chocolate, but with like a nice crispy crunch to it. It's really good. This one's my favorite, for sure. I think these are totally worth it. I think they're worth the price. I think for $3, this is really great chocolate. 100%. I do not have any complaints about this chocolate. I would buy these regularly at this price point, and I wouldn't complain about it. What's also cool is because it's Mr. Beast and he's on his Willy Wonka shit, every chocolate bar comes with a code that you can enter on the website. So we're going to enter some codes and see if I win anything. These fuckers are not easy to peel off. Do you hear my fingernail just scraping over this? Come here. Come here. The sticker is too strong. Jesus. Yeah, so that's a complaint. It's no complaint at all on the quality of chocolate. These ticket codes are impossible to the point where they stick. They don't actually peel off, and you just have to read them backwards on the label. That's my only complaint about these. You are entering the code, and then you submit it, and then you spin a wheel, which I think we all know that the code's already predetermined. The wheel's not actually doing anything. It's just a fun little spin, and didn't win. So you don't win, but you get entered into their major sweepstakes drawings anyway. So that's cool. Recap: Mr. Beast bar, all 3 flavors, really good. In my opinion, better than a comparable $3 bar of chocolate. 100% worth the money. And if you're a fan of Mr. Beast, it's worth picking up. Just support a creator you like. So, yeah, Feastables.com. I'm not sponsored. I'm not getting paid to say this. But yeah, Feastables.com to go get your Mr. Beast bar. Like, comment, subscribe. See you guys soon.